Hi there, my name's Brad Beer, Australian-based sports and exercise physiotherapist, and alongside my British counterpart, physiotherapist Benoit Matthew, we are delighted to bring you the very first online one-day Masters Athlete Symposium. The purpose of this symposium is to help you help your Masters athletes, that's anyone from 35 years of age plus, perform at their physical best. We'll explore a range of different topics with leading global experts in their chosen areas on the day. Access to the symposium is absolutely free. There will be the option to purchase the content following the conclusion of the symposium, alongside some terrific bonus content which Benoit will now share. To register for the Masters Athlete online one-day symposium, jump over to mastersathlete.online and we look forward to hosting you on the day.